Hello, Pete Schmitz here, Senior Director of Engineering at the Duravent Group. And again, I'm in our Grand Rapids Innovation Center, here to talk to you about some of the new products that we have on our large diameter B-vent. Specific to 10-inch diameters, we now have a 90-degree fixed elbow. This also reduces your height instead of using the 245s when space and clearance is an issue. This elbow comes with the easy to install lock tab system, where I just line up the lock lances to the emboss, and now I can rotate as I see fit to line up to the next part of the run. And just again, as easy it is to assemble, I can disassemble it. It's just that simple.